Today, we're making rice in the Instant Pot in 3 minutes. Let's begin. Measure out 4 cups of dried white rice. We'll wash the rice in cold water to remove the excess starch. This typically takes around 3 to 4 rinses or until the water is clear. Use your hands to agitate the rice to clean faster. We'll drain all the excess water. We'll add 4.5 cups of water for cooking. Set the Instant Pot to 3 minutes on high pressure. After 3 minutes, we'll let the Instant Pot do a 6-minute natural decompress before hitting the release button. And with that, we have fresh rice. If you put too much water, the rice will come out mushy, so be careful to ensure not to add excess water. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next.